Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into a fun topic that many of you have been asking about, how to get the sleek and futuristic iOS 26 look on any Android phone. Whether you're a fan of iOS aesthetics or just looking to change things up, we've got you covered. So let's jump right in. Step 1. Launcher Setup. First things first, you'll need to install a custom launcher from the Play Store. Launchers like NovaLauncher or Launcher iOS 15 offer a seamless iOS-like experience with customizable options. Once installed, tweak the settings to mimic iOS 26. Adjust the icon pack, grid layout, and animations to match the clean and minimalist style of iOS. Step 2. Icon packs and themes. Next, head over to the Play Store and download iOS-inspired icon packs and themes. These packs transform your app icons, widgets, and notifications into the sleek iOS 26 design. Apply the icon pack through your launcher settings and select a compatible theme to achieve that iconic iOS look on your Android device. Step 3. Widget customization. iOS 26 is known for its elegant widgets. Luckily, Android allows for extensive widget customization. Use apps like KWGT or Widgetsmith to create iOS-style widgets displaying weather, calendar events, and more. Place these widgets strategically on your home screen to enhance the overall iOS aesthetic. Step 4. Wallpaper selection. To complete the transformation, choose a high-quality iOS-inspired wallpaper. Look for wallpapers featuring minimalistic designs, gradients, or Apple's default iOS wallpapers. Set the wallpaper through your launcher settings and adjust your home screen layout to complement the chosen wallpaper. Conclusion. And there you have it. With these steps, you can easily achieve the iOS 26 look on any Android phone. Customize your launcher, apply iOS-like icon packs and themes, create stunning widgets, and select a fitting wallpaper. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment,